G'day viewers, so I'm going to nuke this phone circuit board. Might get a bit smoky. And nice. Plasma. That's enough. Yeah, too much antennas in there. What got burnt first? Capacitors and diodes, electrolytics. Huh, the electrolytics didn't absorb much heat. The chips and everything did first. Interesting. Okay, what else can I nuke? Let's see. An old mirror. Let's see if the metal in this can make a nice show. Pretty. Ah, cool. Lightning in an hour. Oh, look at that. Ah, sweet. How cool does that look? Nice. That's how to get that antique plastic look in old mirrors. Nice. Get that old rustic look in old mirrors. That is cool. Nice. That looks epic. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. I tried to get that in one piece of the plastic, but the glass broke. There you go, got too hot. It's getting too hot, see? Awesome. You get a half decent mirror you want to keep. You just do it for a little bit, but not so much like that it breaks, and you have a nice old mirror for gives it that nice rustic old school mosaic look. That is cool. Fried gigabyte board. One of all has stripped all the goodies off. Let's try some ultra extreme overclocking. It turns out this isn't the warped. This isn't an actual warped socket, CPU socket. It's actually made by Tyco, not Foxconn. It's a Tyco socket. Be interesting to see how this thing died. Because Gigabyte normally are very good motherboards. Something would have killed this surely, so I could not revive it. That one had that was the one with a fried chip on it. Now it's going to have a lot more just a fried chip. It's going to be all overclocked. Yeah, the waves are under there, so they can't get on that side. Upside down, I think. Gotta go on the bottom. There we go. Might overclock a bit better now. Wow. Yeah, that's enough. That's where it gets a bit toxic. The smoke. That's all I'll do for now. It'll rot itself. Huh. The electrolytics, they get hot inside? Not really. They got a little bit hot inside, but by the time they pop from the excessive heat, it's all going to be a smoking mess. So I'm going to try and get all those electrolytics off. I think they're... No, they're not surface mount. Okay, I can unsolder those then. I'll unsolder all those. All those I'll unsolder them all, put them all in a little glass container if I get a chance. And just chuck them all alone, just see electrolytics themselves in the microwave. I'll have some electrolytic popcorn. Those buggered electrolytics from that power supply. Let's see how much more buggered they can get. I'm sure they're going to have enough pop in them. Might take a bit. I want some electrolytic poppage. Dusty there. There we go. Ah, a bit of smoke. That it? They're too well vented, these ones. There you go. Plasma capacitors. Pretty. Looks like one vented. The other ones didn't. And the paper and guts it spat out all caught fire. Plasma model itself here. I'd expect the electrolyte inside to heat up and pressurise like it's actually got a fault across it and shorting out, but they're a little bit more microwave resistant than that. Interesting. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.